Hi everyone, I'm Jofi Pataksil and this is the very first episode of Homeward Clarity. I've always believed a home is more than just a property. It's where your lifestyle, goals, and dreams all come together. That's what inspired me to be a home and life strategist. This channel is my way to guide you through that journey. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading, or exploring real estate investment, I'll help you cut through the noise and focus on what's important: clarity. What does it mean to live inspired? It's not about owning a property, it's about being part of a bigger vision. A community built with growth, balance, and lifestyle in mind. This is Greenfield City in Santa Rosa, Laguna, a 400-hectare master plan township where life feels both connected and refreshing. Inside Greenfield City, you'll find Zadia, the mid-rise condominium designed around greenspiration. Trava, a premier luxury subdivision with eco-friendly homes. Solen, a vibrant residential neighborhood for modern families. And Pramana, the country's first fully master-planned residential park. And right around the township, you have lifestyle hubs like Soledad Mall, Paseo Outlets, and Vista Mall Santa Rosa. Add to that top schools like De La Salle Canlubang and nearby medical centers such as the Medical City, South Luzon. Accessibility is seamless too, with SLEX and CALAX minutes away. You're easily connected to Metro Manila, Tagaytay, and Batangas. It's no wonder Santa Rosa is called the Makati of the South. Growth here is unstoppable and Greenfield City sits at its very heart. And for today's episode, we'll zoom in on one of the projects that captures this idea of inspired living. That is Zadia Condominium. Here's the scale model of Zadia. This master plan shows you what sets it apart. Zadia is a 5-building enclave. We have Tower 1 here, Towers 2, 3, and 4. And this one is on the pre-selling stage right now. And it is facing the southwest part. Sunset views tayo dito sa building na ito. So it rises up to 18 floors, pero 15 floors yung residential doon. Ang maganda sa kanya, mid-rise lang yon, so you really have open space to see the clear skies. At its core, Zadia is about greenspiration. Open courtyards, landscape gardens, and spaces where you can breathe. Its amenities include a swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court, and wide landscape areas designed for relaxation and community gatherings. Now, let's step into a unit. Now this is a turnover studio unit A with a floor area of 24.9 square meter. So ito yung common na floor area na makita mo sa Zadia. We have about 23 square meter up to 31 square meter. So ito yung makita mong halos marami doon na unit. So pasok tayo sa loob. And the first thing that I want to highlight when you enter the unit is how big is its door. So makikita mo naman, kapag binuksan natin, kayang-kaya na magpasok ng mga gamit. Madali lang siyang ipasok sa loob. And the first thing that will greet you, is the kitchenette. So dito, ito na rin yung kasama sa turnover unit. Okay? Very clear, very clean yung material na gamit dito. Plus, kasama na rin itong under-sink cabinets. So, closing na rin siya. And malaki guys, malaki yung kanyang compartments. So, it's really built with you in mind. And ang isang highlight dito is also the tiles. So, maganda guys kasi nagpalit sila ng floor tiles. So, makikita niyo dito glossy na medyo marble design siya. And it also looks neutral para kung anong feel mo sa property mo na design, yun yung pwede mong i-gawin dito. Let's go inside the bathroom. Now, what I want to highlight in this bathroom is how spacious it is. Sobrang rare yan guys for studio units, kasi usually mga nakikita ko maliit lang, talagang saktuhan lang. Pero ito guys, ang laki ng walkway mo. no? You have a space for your laundry, no, washing machine, no, and tiles na rin yung ating walls, no? So again, no, very neutral in color. So ikaw rin bahala na if gusto mo siyang palitan in the future. Pero as it is now, no, it's already livable. Now, let's talk about this space. For 24.9 square meter, guys, malaki na siya. Makikita nyo, very flexible yung layout, no? So, meron tayong parang open space here na you can actually build like a compartment, no? And make it look like a one bedroom, no? It's really up to you, no, how you wanna design that. Pero this space can give you so much freedom, no, on how you want, no, to design your own unit, no? I can see, no, na dito can be your bedroom, no, may mga sockets, no, this can be your work area, this can be your living or dining area, no? It's really up to your creativity. And another highlight of the Zadea units is that it has its own balcony. And very rare yun din, no, guys, sa isang unit. And what makes this really beautiful is that you have a view of the green spaces there. Yan, so they actually have a simulation here of what you will see, no? And also the beauty of its balcony, no? Sliding door that brings in natural light. So malaki siya. Yung pasok ng hangin, pati ng natural lighting natin, maganda din yung effect nun, no, sa mga homeowners. Ngayon, tignan naman natin, no, ano yung dressed up unit nila. So, kanina nandun yung bare na turnover unit. Ito naman, no, let's imagine, okay, what it looks like. So, as I said, no, yung turnover, ito na siya, kasama na, no, pero ito, hindi pa. Pero as you can see, no, malaki yung pwede mong magawang overhead cabinets din dyan, no. So, yung floor to ceiling natin, no, yung space doon, no, is enough for a very spacious overhead cabinet. And coming into here, makikita mo kung gaano kaluwag talaga yung CR. Okay, ito na yung na-imagine natin kanina na washing machine, di ba? And meron pa siyang glass na in-install for the shower. No, so it's really a very comfortable feeling, no, here in this comfort room. And ito naman nga, no, yung living room area, no, living space, and yung bedroom. Yeah, so as you can see, no, ang laki na rin ang nagawa niyang cabinet, no? Pero depende naman yun sa inyo kung ano yung gusto niyo gawin dito sa unit niyo, no? So this is just for your inspiration, no? And as you can see, no, this is perfect for homeowners to start, no, or for investors who want, no, a place to be able to design, no. That's good for rental business as well. Now let's get to the exciting part. Do you know you can combine, no, adjoining studio units, no, to have a larger floor area. And this is an example of a dressed up combined unit. So as you can see, it's really spacious. You already have your own space for the dining area. Here's an expanded kitchen area, no? And your living space also here, no? So there's really like a very big space that you can work around here, no, when you combine two units. So because nag-combine tayo ng units, no, nagkaroon ka ngayon ng freedom, ng flexibility to have a one bedroom, no? And meron na tayong shared bathroom. So dito sa room na to, no, nakita nyo yung difference, di ba? Meron tayo ng walk-in closet dito. So, talagang lumawak na yung inyong condo unit here. Makikita nyo din, no? Pwede kasi na i-keep nyo yung banyo, no? So, dito kasi ginawa niya iisa na lang. Pero pwede nyo silang i-keep pa din, no? Pero to maximize the space, no, I suggest din, no, you set up the configuration na somewhat like this as well, no? So, yeah, it's an interesting layout. And as you can see, no, this serves like your master bedroom. So there's a lot of really flexibility that you can work around here with your Zadea units. Whenever I evaluate projects, I look at three lenses: convenience, community, and clarity of value. Convenience. Zadia sits in Greenfield City, minutes from schools, hospitals, malls, and right across from Vista Mall Santa Rosa. With SLEX and Calax nearby, connectivity is seamless. Community. Mid-rise towers, open courtyards, a pool, and landscape greens create a suburban sanctuary unlike dense high-rises in the metro. Clarity of value. From single studios to combined units, Zadia offers flexibility. Smaller units give high rental potential, while bigger combined spaces expand end-user demand and resale value as Santa Rosa continues to grow. So here's my clarity question for you. What inspires you to invest in a home today? Is it convenience, calm, or growth? If Zadia inspires you, let's talk. I'd be happy to help you find your way home here. You can reach me via email at jofi.b.pataksil@gmail.com or message me at Homeward Clarity Facebook page. Or you can contact me through my mobile number +63 991 397 5526. This was the very first episode of Homeward Clarity. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next neighborhood story. I'm Jofi Pataksil, your home and life strategist, helping you find peace and clarity in every step towards your home.